The Honeydew Company, established in 10,000 BC, because having a happy wife is a happy life.
You can see the angle that these are going. You want to try to hold the file at the same angle as the tooth. So you don't want it up like this or back like this. You want it going, you can see how the tooth's cut at an angle. You want your file going at the same direction as the angle. Same direction as the angle. So that way for that one. And then this one right here, it's going this way. So you don't want it like this. 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 You want it to fit right in that groove and go along the same angle as that tooth is right there. And that's how you sharpen a saw.